So I'm looking to make a power supply for this old Dell. It has the typical Dell charger over here, not plugged in. This one's 130 watts, 19.5 volts on the output, 6.5 amps, 120 volts in, pretty typical. But this is for another computer. I lost the charger to this one, but I want to make one. So this is the charging port on your computer right here. It's inside that little hole. It looks kind of complicated. Dell wanted to make stuff look complicated, but they probably cheaped out on just using these smaller wires because they are color coded properly. So all the black ones are conjoined to the shield, while the reds are the power, and then this is ground. So maybe this is... Anyhow, there's basically 3 wires here, not 7. First I probed all of these to make sure they were the same. Then I powered her up with here, and got 19.5 out here, and 0 and 0 on blue and black. So I already soldered these together, how they are. So if I apply 19.5 volts between these two, it should charge the computer. Tell you! Alright. Try that again. Boonga. Please do not blow up computer. Oh? Oh, it knows. It knows! Looks like it's trying to draw over 5 amps. I mean, this is a 5 amp power supply, but... Wait a second, what am I doing with my life? Okay, I had it in milliamps mode. Wait, it's still tweaking. It says it's charging. We'll leave it plugged in and see what happens. Because this is 30 volts, 5 amps. So she isn't charging, but she's been about 92% for at least half an hour. I'm not running much, but what I postulate is that while this setup is so ghetto, it can't charge the computer because the charger is snobbish and it's like, well, you're not a power adapter, I'm not going to work. It does run the computer, so the battery has basically noted very little draw, which means this could work. This could work to replace the charger. I mean, this is a permanent setup. This is going to live here, so this could work. I've attached this little oscilloscope to it, and if you could even call that one, but yeah, nothing came up. There was no like high current spike draws or voltage drops or anything that this wouldn't tell you, so not sure, maybe it just needs more voltage. Got to experiment a little more with her for sure. Anyways, pretty cool. Awfully smoky in here, ma'am.
Oh, you have a fog machine in here?
Yes, doozy.